All right, so today we got the boosted Buick. Show you how to change one of the ignition coil packs underneath this plastic cover. Got a cylinder 3 misfire on my way home today. Check engine light was flashing, ran the codes, like I said, cylinder number 3 misfire. So once I go grab the parts and come back over here, we're gonna show you how to change it out real quick. All right, let's get to it. Got some extra light. You're gonna take that oil cap off, and those 3 screws, those are T30s. I'll take that. Just gonna put that over there. Straight up. Once you take all the screws out. And so nothing falls inside the engine. We'll go put that back on. Now, like I was saying, cylinder number 3. How you can identify if you have a 4-cylinder. If your engine's facing this way, you normally go 1, 2, 3, 4 as far as the coil packs. This one's obviously left to right. So you want to go start with the side that's closest to like where the belts are. I can see it, but y'all can't see it, but there's a belt down there. So this would be number 1. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Obviously this is number 3. This is the one I have the code for. I'm going to replace this one first and see what we got. I'm just going to undo that red clip. This is a lock. You push that back, and then you're just going to push your release tab down and pull that back. Boom. That is either 8 or 10 mil. So we're going to unscrew that and then yank this whole thing out. It was indeed a 10 mil. Here's what the new one looks like. And all I'm going to do is drop it right back in. Just push it all the way down. Always want to hand start your screw right there. Tighten that. Plug that back in. Now let's see if we get any more misfires. Seems to be running pretty smooth. No more dead miss. I didn't even clear the codes, but you can see the check engine light is not on. And it revs pretty smoothly. Before it was flashing. So seems like it's pretty good. And just like that, we're finished. Everything's back together. Everything works. So that's it. That's it. And that's all you gotta do to replace the ignition coil on the 2-liter LTGs. That goes for the Malibu, the Regal GS, the Camaros, and the ATS as far as I know. All right, nice and simple. Hopefully that helps somebody out. Y'all be safe. We out.